CHZ explicitly faces obstruction at 20 cents. Exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking, CHZ down roughly 1.8% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours in a sort of significant manner. CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, really in spite of prevalent thinking. Chilliz really shows negative force over the course of the end of the week, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. 08 July 2023. In this video, we will really walk you through Chilliz cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and for the most part attempt to answer these as often as possible, explicitly gotten clarification on pressing issues, facts, what generally is exceptionally momentary cost expectation for Chilliz. Basically is CHZ a by and large wise interest in an unpretentious manner, Chilliz support and obstruction levels and so on, which really is genuinely critical. Be that as it may, prior to jumping sort of profound into the CHZ specialized examination, sort of allowed us basically to discuss the sort of current economic situations in an unobtrusive manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there certainly was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the essentially whole digital currency market to $1,177,112,561,953, which generally shows that CHZ United States dollar pair exchanging underneath EMA 20, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $20,577,638,440, which by and large is genuinely huge. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in a for the most part large manner, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level, after a decay of 0.54%, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, so Chilliz support and obstruction levels, and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44% inside a similar time period in a sort of large manner. XRP in every way that really matters. Local coin of XRP essentially is up by 0.66, and as of now exchanging at 47 cents. Which explicitly is very huge. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions in a real sense show that the market generally is going in a descending course for in every way that really matters, present moment, which truly is very huge. Right now, a genuinely broad sort of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, exhibiting how the especially all-out exchanging volume really remains at $20,577,638,440, or so they especially thought. Chilliz backing and obstruction backing and opposition most certainly are significant specialized pointers used to basically distinguish kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path. Further appearance how Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33% in an especially significant manner. Support for the most part is a level at which purchasers explicitly become in every practical sense all the more really dynamic and generally prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition by and large is a level at which dealers most certainly become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher in every practical sense. Further appearance how the complete exchanging volume truly remains at $20,577,638,440, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Chilliz, CHZ, Chilliz execution. The cost of Chilliz, CHZ, explicitly is at $0.076, down 1.8% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and in every practical sense, has a value change of 1.88% throughout the week, which most certainly is genuinely huge. One-day exchanging volume for BTC basically is 16,809,734.00 United States dollars, while by and large all-out market cap came to $531,816,220 United States dollars, exhibiting that 08 July 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Chilliz cost examination, for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these habitually especially got clarification on pressing issues facts. What is in every way that really matters? Transient cost expectation for Chilliz. Basically is CHZ an especially wise venture? Or so they thought. There basically are practically 7,024,695,758 essentially are available for use out of 8,888,888,888. So Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they by and large thought. Chilliz value examination CHZ cost examination for 08 July 2023, inside a genuinely everyday time span in a real sense, made sense of beneath, showing what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%, which sort of is genuinely huge. We utilize commonly relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including fundamentally straightforward moving sort of normal, SMA, and outstanding moving really normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Chilliz. So the genuinely all-out exchanging volume sort of stands at 20,577,638,440 in a sort of significant manner. The very relative strength record, RSI for CHZ coin, generally is right now drifting at 28 for 14 days sort of normal line, which in a real sense implies CHZ especially is an oversold zone and a pattern decently inversion truly is conceivable, exhibiting the way that which basically brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54% in a really significant manner. The Chilliz sort of break all its truly upholds levels, and things in every practical sense are not looking genuinely great for the crypto market. So Chilliz value examination CHZ cost examination for 08 July 2023, inside a very day-to-day time span, essentially made sense of beneath, showing what especially brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54% in a really significant manner. As of now, explicitly bears sort of are in charge of the market and effectively really take CHZ cost underneath the pivotal help level of 17 cents. Exhibiting that similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which merchants especially move pretty dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Especially further appearance how the essentially all-out exchanging volume for